Hello everyone. When you have a squeaky garage door, here is what you can do to fix the problem. Irrespective of whether the garage door is new or not, whether the garage door opener is new or not, there are ways to fix the problem without fully replacing it, which costs thousands of dollars. Which is in my scenario, I was given a quote to replace the whole garage door when there is some noise that had to be fixed. And here's how I approach the problem. Let me show you the problem first and where the problem could come from and how to fix them. In my scenario, I'm using a Chamberlain that has camera. This costed me about $380 from Home Depot. I had recently got this swapped because the motor got damaged as there were some fumes. And after replacing the garage door opener, it started to show some noise. Signs of noise comes when there is friction between the metal surfaces. Any joint that could possibly move, you want to lubricate that. So I got some WD-40 first. I sprayed on all the joints that are possibly there, that are possible to move. I sprayed them to loosen up the dirt and then cleaned it. After cleaning all the excess, I then took a gel lube. This is the one I took. Chain lube is what it says. And I sprayed it gently. Like I put a lot of that liquid on every single joint, like outside, inside. And the easiest check that you can do is with the nose plier. See if you can move them. Like hold them and move them. You can even do it with the hand, like fingers. I put my gloves on. So put your gloves on, then try to move every joint that's possible. Like even this one, the one that's actually moving. So even that one, you would be able to move it freely with your hand. Once you move every single thing like freely, the noise should disappear. Like every joint, you don't want to miss a single joint. On both sides, in the middle, make sure you also tighten all the screws that are there so that you don't have any loose points for the garage door to aggravate with time. Now let me show you how it sounds like after this repair. See, there are no squeaks whatsoever. It's just the sound of a motor that's trying to pull the garage door up. Let's try to do a test with closing. There is still some noise that is coming up, and I'm assuming that it might be something from that belt. I missed to lubricate that. So that joint, when it scratches on over here, it is making the sound. So yeah, that is how you can fix the majority of the problem. I did just do lubrication myself. I didn't had any technician come over to do this. They were only suggesting to replace the whole door, which is pointless when everything else is intact and the screws are properly tied. Yeah. Another thing that you can check is if your garage door is making a lot of sound, sometimes these can go off rail. How could they go off rail even when this metal is tilted? It could happen when this piece right here, it's not secured properly, and this whole thing can move. And that's why you see some signs of movement with time going up and down, because it's a heavy weight, like a lot of weight that moves up and down. So there's a tendency for this to move to the right. So I had to push it back inside all the way towards this side and then tighten it back again using this 7x16 socket. So all the screws on my garage door are the same socket, so just use that to tighten it on all the joints. And the clicking sound is gone because this roller is back in place and it is nicely going up and down. And I also put some lube on the bottom of this surface so that it can move up and down freely. Yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching all the way till the end. I hope this video is helpful to you and helped you save some money. Peace. Thank you again for watching. Have a good one. Bye.